Sound quality is one of the most important factors to many people when it comes to buying earbuds. So how are you going to find a suitable earphone for you? Don't worry, today I'm going to be sharing some tips on that with you. Actually, dancing is my favorite hobby. That is why having a good pair of earphones is very important to me. So before getting one, I'll always look at 2 points. One is the comfort of wearing the earpiece, and second will be the features and the mechanics that composites the earpiece for its sound quality. As I'll always be wearing my earbuds during my long hours of dancing, the design and comfort is very important. And the ergonomics design of this HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i really does feel comfortable without any pressures and after long hours on it. And whenever I'm dancing, it fits really well and does not fall off my ears easily. So now, here are some extra tips to help you test out the sound quality of your earbuds, which is a quiet listening environment. Because whenever you're listening to any music, you want to submerge yourself in the mood so as to feel the rhythm and emotions. With active noise cancellation on the HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i turned on, I can fully dwell myself into the music even in stores without any noise disturbance. Up next will be choosing the right song. I've chosen 3 songs to test out on the sound qualities. First song will be Valentine. So I chose this song to test out the sound quality because of the 10mm dynamic coil driver and sensitive polymer composite diaphragm in the HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i, so that I am able to listen clearly to each of the vocal positioning in the song. The second one will be Hotel California. I'm sure you've all heard of this classic song, right? Choosing this song is to test out the sound feel of the earbuds. The vocals of the singer and the electric guitar playing sounds as if they're playing in front of you. After listening with the FreeBuds 4i, I'm pretty satisfied with it because compared to other earphones, this does not sound harsh at all. The last song is one I love because from the beginning to 1:15, the song is an a cappella of female voices without the interference of the soundtrack, which is better to test the resolution. Now with this song, there are some flaws in the FreeBuds 4i. It can be difficult to hear these details if you do not deliberately listen to them. Also, compared to professional headphones, the resolution needs to be improved. So overall, although the HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i is an entry-level TWS headset, the sound quality can be considered top-notch and satisfying, as it has active noise cancellation features as well. And it only sells for 379 ringgit with all these great qualities and features. That is one of the deciding factors that made me get it. But that's just my personal preference. And now since you have more time to stay at home, why not treat yourself better to a pair of great earbuds?